Hey, what's up everyone? So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips on how to get started with cloud computing. Tip number 1, build a strong foundation. So no matter which cloud position you apply for, all the companies will test you with your knowledge on cloud fundamentals. Companies are most likely to hire professionals with a sound cloud fundamentals knowledge. So you need to be thorough with your cloud concepts. So before you start applying for cloud jobs, please spend at least a couple of weeks learning about the cloud concepts, cloud fundamentals, different types of cloud, who are the leading cloud providers, how do you differentiate between GCP, Azure, and AWS, and do spend enough time learning about the cloud architecture, cloud storage, and cloud computing concepts, etc. And the second tip is to get hands-on experience. So do make sure to get hands-on practical experience on how to manage and configure cloud components. So I understand if you are a fresher or a student, getting hands-on experience is a little tricky. And especially if you are a fresher or a newbie to cloud, it is very difficult to get your first cloud job. So start looking for short internship with companies. So the best way to get internship is to go to the company's job portal and look for internship opportunities. The next best way to get hands-on experience is to create free trials offered by Google, Microsoft, and AWS. You can go to the respective cloud portal and apply for trial version. These trial versions will give you an ability to try out various cloud components using the portal to gain enough hands-on experience on how you can deploy and manage and configure these cloud workloads. Creating a free cloud trial subscription is super easy. So I will make sure to put the details down the like button so that you can go and register yourself to get a free cloud trial. Azure and AWS free cloud trial is the best place to start getting your hands-on experience. All right. The third tip is to understanding different job roles available in the cloud industry. So if you're exploring a career in the cloud computing, there are various types of roles and responsibilities and jobs you need to be aware of. On a high level, there are only 4 types of cloud roles you need to be aware of: cloud administrator, cloud engineer, cloud developer, and cloud solutions architect. There are so many other different cloud jobs you can get, but we will talk about that on a different video. In that video, I will explain all other different types of cloud roles, what are the different salaries you can expect on these roles, and what are the skill set you need to learn to land each of these jobs. So let's talk about these 4 roles. First one is cloud administrator. The main responsibility of a cloud administrator is system configuration, maintenance, and setting up the right set of parameters as per the requirement. The second entry-level job you can apply for in cloud is cloud engineers. Cloud engineers are responsible for addressing the technical issues in the cloud platform. Third type is cloud developer. Cloud developers are responsible for creating and building scalable cloud applications. And the fourth type is cloud architect. The responsibility of a cloud architect is to make that important decision of a particular company's cloud computing strategy. Alright, the fourth tip is to get the relevant cloud certifications. Especially if you are a beginner or a fresher or a student, you need to prove yourself to the company or the person who is hiring you. So the easiest way to prove somebody you have the right knowledge or the skill set is to show them the proof that you have the right cloud certifications. Today, all the leading cloud vendors like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google have various role-based certifications so that you can start from the foundational level. Because there are plenty of certifications available, it's important to get the right one. For instance, AWS Cloud Practitioner and Azure Fundamentals are the beginner level certifications. However, if you are an experienced professional or you have enough foundational knowledge about the cloud, you can look for specialized certifications like AWS Solutions Architect, GCP Solutions Architect, or Azure Solutions Architect or Azure DevOps Expert certifications. So don't worry about these certification complexities. I will definitely create a separate video on all the different certifications you can aim for and what are the different skill set you need to have before sitting for a particular certification. And the fifth tip is Familiarize yourself with the current cloud industry technologies and the issues. So one of the easiest way to get familiarize yourself with these current technology trends and issues is read about it. You can go to Microsoft documentation, Amazon documentation, and you can read about different technology trends or what are the new offerings from these cloud providers. What are the major issues they are facing at this point in time? Join different groups on LinkedIn and Facebook related to cloud technology. Read about what they are talking about. There are plenty of free resources available on YouTube, on LinkedIn, and other platforms where a lot of creators like myself are creating videos and podcasts and talking about different types of cloud trends. And this information is totally free for you to consume. Because the digital technology is constantly changing, it is important for you to update your knowledge by understanding what are the changes happening throughout this industry. So these are the 5 tips you need to remember to get started with cloud computing. So build a strong foundation, get hands-on experience, understand the different job roles available in the cloud industry, get the relevant certification, and familiarize yourself with the current issues and the trend in the cloud technology. And I hope the information provided in this video is useful. I will see you on the next one. Until then, take care.